I just want to let everyone know I'm like 3 shots deep just because it is 12:30 in the morning, and we had to get a little bit of a head start. So let's just watch this video. You know, we're gonna watch it together. Let's start. It's a nice sound. While we're watching this, guys, this intro, let's take another shot. You know what I'm saying?
That hard. If you're wondering why I'm speaking quietly, it's because there's people sleeping in my house, I think. Who are they? I don't know. No one ever really talks about how hard it is if you go like day drinking and then everyone's like, alright, yeah, rally in a few hours and then let's go out. How fucking
Who can relate?
possible it is to put makeup on and get ready when you're drunk. So in order to make this an accurate video, I started as if I went to the beach or something, no makeup. I'm gonna get drunk and I'm gonna teach you all the tips and tricks of how to put your fucking makeup on and you're hammered. So the first thing I gotta do is get drunk. I'm gonna be drinking what everyone always drinks when they're day drinking. What the fuck ever.
This is water.
Drinking game. Living room. Now. Ding! Like stuff going on in your neck, then you know you're ready. Seriously, what's in my drink? Want to go to sleep? Fight that urge. I don't recommend washing your face because you might drown. Make sure that your skin is ready for your makeup by flapping it. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Alright, not gonna slap my face. I feel like I should put moisturizer on, but like she's slapping her face. So instead of slapping my face, because I do hate myself, but I don't hate myself like that much right now, we're gonna do it the Beauty Guru way, where you're like, you know, where you gotta like prep your face, you know, tingling. I wish I had one of those roller balls, but we don't have that, so.
Make it look like your skin is not so angry at you for your bad life choices. No. Go ahead and have yourself a fucking foundation soda. Make your face look like a different face by piling on like the heaviest makeup you can.
We're starting.
Get down to business.
So let's try this out with powder. She put no liquid on. Honestly, I don't know if she has makeup on. She slapped her face, said like, let's get it ready. So I'm thinking she doesn't have makeup on. So we're just gonna put powder on. I don't know what she's using. We're just gonna use this MAC in medium, literally powder. It just says medium. And we're gonna use a big fluffy brush, just like how she says. Hold up, guys. I know you're tempted to see what she does next, but we gotta get ready first. Let's get a big, fat, fluffy brush. We like him big and thick.
Fine. And do it with some kind of brush that doesn't judge you. It's okay if you can't see what you're doing.
Brush doesn't judge
even
me.
if your eyes are open, you can't see what you're doing. Make sure you get it on your neck too, where it shows how drunk you are. Because the faster you do it like this, the better it comes out. If you can't move your brush good, just move your face. So you don't have time for concealer, but you have time for powder for when you start crying later about how some boy doesn't like you. So in my opinion, if you're going out
4 shots deep, don't feel like I'm drunk enough, might be hitting up on me. So I don't even think this is a shot left when you're running out of alcohol. So we're just gonna
Get crazy, get wild.
just take the rest.
2 shots of vodka.
It's not even a shot. Just fill that all over my leg. It's okay. I don't know what this is, but don't ever take these shots because this is the most grossest thing that I've ever tasted in my life. I want to die right now. Do you want this?
you're gonna pick out a bold outfit, and you need some bold face to go with your bold outfit. How you doing? You only do your makeup like this.
Don't wear clothes. Nude is the best way.
You know what you do first is that you just make sure that your eyes are there. What I like to do is just take, I don't have a mirror, I just like to take a liquid eyeliner, take one little baby step, and now you committed it.
I don't really wear liquid eyeliner, and I don't know what liquid eyeliner she's wearing, but we're gonna use this Stylist Stay All Day.
There's no turning back. You got the black. Then you just want to put some shit.
God, dude, she's going so fast for me. Okay, So we got to do like her technique, you know, that's what I've like realized through these videos is we want to do it exactly how they did it. So she didn't care, didn't have a mirror. We're going to try to do it the same way, but like if we're going to go out in this, we got to look cute at least. Okay, we got to look cute for these boys right here. So we're just going to, you know, quickly go. One straight shot. A straight shot to heaven. That's so disgusting. I fucking hate myself. Okay, well, you know, when we got that like nice wind going on, we know that we're going somewhere, and we're going somewhere big, because the bigger the eye wing is and like the thicker that it is, we know it's gonna be a great time. Am I right, ladies? You know, the trick is to just get it really thick, okay? We like thick, we like the penetration on our eyes. This is when you know a hoe's out to play.
And shit, sometimes you realize that you're using blush as your eyeshadow, and that's a mistake.
It's not a mistake.
It happens.
I gotta do it first. We gotta do exactly what she did. She did blush. Honestly, that's great. It's a nice way to warm it up. So we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna use this Anastasia one. We're gonna use a stupid shadow brush, and we're gonna take this pink one because that's how pink her eyeshadow, that's how pink her blush looked. We're just gonna dive in deep, and we're gonna go right there. Oh, we got that Barbie pink going on.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
You know what's funny though? Is like, I have a smoothing filter on my camera, so you can't really tell, but this pink is like matching the pink on my cheeks. You know how Jenna Marbles said, it's when you know you're drunk, because when pink starts coming out. And she doesn't believe in concealer. Do you see this?
Okay, just blend it out. What's this? The darkest color I got? Yeah, get it on there. You can't live life fucking half-assed. You gotta close your eye and get that shit on there. If this isn't a good brush, whose fault is that? Not mine, it's yours. It's not my fault, it's your fault. You need to figure your life out. You got one job.
So she's using like a really dark eyeshadow. We're gonna use the same brush because no one cares. And we're gonna pick up the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and let's just go with this. I don't know, that looks pretty similar to what she's using. These two mixed, let's just mix them. You know, you're gonna mix your drinks, you might as well mix your eyeshadow. And we're gonna go like this.
There's like a delicious fucking spinach artichoke dip, right? Who doesn't love that?
No.
Go slow if you have to, because it gets stuck in your eyeball. It doesn't have to be perfect, because you're already perfect, just the way you are. A good way to clean up your day drinking face eyeshadow. Imagine that you're your own like parent judging you. Oh, what did I do? Look at you, you're such a fuck up. You're good, nothing bad's gonna happen. What could possibly go wrong here? Nothing. Watch this. I don't even need a mirror. Oh, but oh, that's right, Matt. Yeah, let's go. What's going on? Like your bathing suit.
Looks like a boy. We're gonna take this black right here because she's looking like she's onto something, and we're gonna use a pencil brush. Just fucking dabble that in there right there, and go right on the inside. I don't really know what she was doing, but we're just gonna follow it.
One thing you should concentrate on is just getting some lashes on. Dear male species, when was the last time you glued something on your face? Love, Jenna. Love, I do this all the time. So when you just have a little bit of glue on there, just like
little bit of glue. You gotta like really ease into it though, because sometimes this glue just likes to squirt out. You know, we don't want any surprises. Some people like surprises, we don't. Like, that's not a nice surprise. You just wanna not do that. We're gonna get it like that.
let it dry for like no time, and then just stick it on your face. I have no concept of time. How you doing? Perfect, awesome.
I have a lot of concept of time.
As good as
It just
possible. That ain't
looks
bad.
messy.
You gotta get your eyebrows on. This is the time when you can afford to take a break. Just be like, you know what? I know where my eyebrows are. Close your eyes. Hey, you gotta get inside your waterline. This is the hardest part. Ready? Think about baby giraffes. Just, oh, it doesn't feel good. And then you realize
this video's a little too fast for me, so we gotta, you know, catch up. So while we start doing these eyelashes, we're just gonna apply them. It looks like someone jizzed in my eye. You're doing great, sweetie.
get your blush and bronzer up in here. Who's gonna yell at you for having extra bronzer on your face?
Internet trolls.
You've already got a natural glow, kind of, because you're drunk. So just make it like way more intense. Everybody loves someone that's so red in the face. Are you embarrassed?
You know what I mean? Right in your face.
Excited to be here. I'm normal, I swear. Do you want my phone number?
Oh my God, we did not come here to fuck around. We came here to follow a makeup tutorial, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take this blush brush. We're gonna go really deep in to the pinkish shade. That kind of matches. It's looking like this one's probably the best bet, and we're just gonna go right in, okay? Just lather it in, and honestly, it is the most blush I've ever worn in my life. I'm gonna use this Prunella by MAC, and like she's doing like a little bit like a messy thing going on. I don't want to do that. We're gonna really try hard right now, and we're gonna go like this, because I feel like when you go like this, it really takes away the wrinkles of your mouth, and if you go like really deep down, it like makes your lips look bigger. So we're gonna go crunch like this, okay? It's like looking the same, and you just like blend it in, because who fucking cares? You just go all in, okay? You gotta go like, because when you go like this, it like blends everything together.
Scare you. Just shut off your drunk brain for 1 second. My sober brain is gonna make sure that I show up to wherever we're going looking regular. Your choices of lip color are hoochie, ho, trick, ho shit. Don't forget to put that hoe gloss over it. And then if all of a sudden you realize that this is totally wrong, just problem solve. After this, the only thing you have to worry about is making sure that you act sober enough to get into wherever you're going. I might as well be asleep right now. A for effort. This is a pretty good look if you ask me.
Didn't put the lip gloss on. We're gonna use Erin by Buxom. Probably the best lip gloss ever, because it like tingles it. It makes you feel like you're inspired and ready to get those DSLs going on, but you know, not all of us want that. So if you don't want to use DSL, don't use lip gloss. I'm over this. I want to wash this off. I feel disgusting. I feel like not cute. And please like, subscribe, comment, do all of that, and I will see you guys in my next video.